We are going to practice some writing in the form of a response paragraph. So make sure that you have your writing handbook as well as a crayon before you start or continue this video. Okay, now that you have your crayon, make sure that you highlight the words I don't read. To help you out on this, I highlighted a few of the words, and I did not during the example paragraph. So when we get to the example paragraph, you want to have your listening ears ready to go. Okay, starting at the top. Response paragraph. A response paragraph tells the writers to a question or a prompt. Sometimes the response answers about a story. Parts of a response paragraph. A that uses words from the prompt and that explain the reader's ideas, that go around a speaker's exact words. Go out to the side there where it says topic sentence. Words from the prompt. What is being answered? The harvest birds. Prompt. How do you, the people in town, felt about Juan at the end of the story? I think the started to feel for Juan. One thing that shows this is when the story says, when Juan arrived in town, everyone was. They saw that he was a great because he had such a wonderful harvest. They were surprised he was able to grow so much food. Okay, put your finger down for a moment. We're going to go out to the side where it says details and examples. Details and examples explain the writer's. Okay, going back to the paragraph. So again, this is where the writer is explaining why he or she thinks that. Next, some of them even asked for his. They said, teach me your. Some other people even offered to give him a. They were not laughing at him now. They respected him and him to work for them. And then over on the left-hand side, it says quotation marks. Quotation marks show any exact words, highlight exact words from the story. So you can see where it shows, teach me your secrets. Those are exact words from the story that the writer is using to explain. Last on this page where it says other transitions. These are transition words that you've seen some of them, but you may not have seen others. And so I want you to highlight the ones that I highlighted. These are ones that you may not have seen. After that means something that comes next. During, two things are happening at once. After a while, it means time has passed. And then finally is the last thing that happens. Usually wraps the story up a little bit. Okay, so on the next page, it says follow your teacher's directions to complete the frame. Prompt, why do you think Juan had such a great harvest? You're going to make a paragraph here. I don't want you to do it in crayon because it's going to be too hard to read. You want to switch to pencil and fill in the blanks here. I really want you to try to remember to circle your periods, underline your capitals. I also want you to try to find something from the story, an exact quote that you can put in your response. And you'll put it in the place where it says, in this story it says. And we're only doing number 1. We're not going to do number 2 or 3 today. Okay, good luck.